Damn, Insomnia is not good. I don't know what they're giving me, but it ain't good. But in any case, I'm chilling, watching the Sonny Chibba movie from 1977. Yeah, baby. It's pretty wild. He's gonna fight some monkeys high on coke, which is gonna be crazy. I remember that match, and we'll see what happens. I know he's gonna kick ass, but Sensei's no good. Man had to go down, die. Not good. Die by the sword. You better sword. Die by the sword. In any case, be nice to each other. Oh, Thomas, and you son of a guns, dropping what I want. I don't have enough money for this. All right. Good night. Take care, people. Love ya.